I'm Mike Bellafiore, Managing Partner of SMB Capital, a proprietary trading firm in New York City. Monday, 6:30 p.m., February 19th at La Quinta in Scottsdale, I'm going to be sharing how and why our top traders at our firm did so well in 2017. My hope is that these lessons will provide you with ideas to improve your trading in 2018. So, some reasons why you might think about attending. This is an opportunity for you to learn from a trading professional whose firm backs and trains, coaches, mentors new traders into seven-figure traders. Also, I'm the author of the trading classic One Good Trade and the playbook, and I've written extensively about how to improve trading performance. 2017 was a very strong year for SMB Capital in New York City. Several of the firm traders earned black shirts, which is what you receive when you net over $2 million in trading profits for the year. We're going to talk about them, we're going to talk about how they attack markets, and you're also going to get a chance to learn about the work that SMB is doing with these traders so that 2018 is even more successful. It's rare to get insight into how top traders are succeeding at a proprietary trading firm. It's rare to learn how seven-figure traders are succeeding as traders. The Scottsdale Phoenix Meetup is an excellent networking opportunity for you to meet like-minded traders in your community and walk away with people that you can work with going forward. I'm going to be in the area vacationing with my family, and I thought it would be a fun idea to find a night to get together and talk trading with you. I've been visiting the Scottsdale Phoenix Meetup since 2010 and have found it to be the very best trading meetup in the country. Hope you get a chance to come by, and I'm looking forward to visiting there again with you guys soon. As always, I'm going to stay around to answer any of your trading questions. My favorite part of the presentation, a presentation like this, is getting a chance to chat with traders before, during breaks, and after. So come, say hi, and learn a little bit more about trading.